Managing partner of Karam and Missick's attorneys at law, George Missick, spoke to News 4 today on a number of topics in relation to the court system in the TCI. News 4 wanted to know what he believes may be the reason for so many cases being prolonged, a major area of concern.
The court system, I will stop short of saying that it's in a mess, but there are a lot of things that need fixing to ensure that cases are dealt with on a timely basis and persons feel that they are able to get a fair, their day in court at a fair and reasonable time.
Missick said that more manpower is needed to run the judiciary properly and effectively.
The court, in my opinion, needs more judges. Not only that, we need the proper support staff in place to assist the judges and to assist in the proper administration of justice. So we have cases recently, and it's ongoing problems with just the running of the Supreme Court registry, where, for instance, the fax machine may be out of ink, where the court doesn't have the basic supplies. The judges don't have some of the basic supplies necessary to run the judiciary properly.
He went on to say that because judges have to act as stenographers, this is causing a breakdown as well as a backup, as there is a grave need for court reporters and assistants.
Anyone who has ever visited a magistrate court or Supreme Court would notice that judges and magistrates, for the most part, they have to sit down and handwrite verbatim evidence of witnesses, evidence of whoever comes before the court, and this takes a lot of time. Persons have to stop and start. I sometimes wonder how the judges and magistrates can even properly listen or digest some of the matters when they are the ones who have to write down everything.
According to Missick, several weeks ago there was a proposed bill dealing with judges' salary, which brought about another topic, the need for an independent judiciary in the TCI.
We need an independent judiciary. I agree with some of the things, if not all of the things that were proposed in that ordinance, in that judges should not be contract workers to begin with. We should not have judges on salary, on contract. Judges should have security of tenure, meaning that they cannot be removed at the whim of a politician, the governor. They put in there, they're basically in there for life or until retirement age. And this is necessary to ensure that they're not tampered with, that they're not forced, or sorry, I shouldn't use the word force, but they are independent enough that if there's a case involving a litigant, a private citizen against the government, which often happens, that the judge is not thinking that if I do not side with the government, my contract may not be renewed.
Missick explained to News 4 that as a professional and a member of the bar, he felt it was his duty to address some of the issues that have been affecting the judicial system to ensure that laws are put in place and updated for the protection and well-being of the people of the TCI. We'll have more from Missick in tomorrow's newscast. For WIV4 News, I'm Amanda Miller.